I welcome all of you on platform of YourPD Education. I think the dedicated platform which is preparing you for group discussion, and you must have seen online group discussions and how we prepare that. Group discussion is something which is required everywhere, whether you are in placement or you want to go for public sector or for some management courses or maybe bankings or forces, army. Group discussion is nothing but discussion, way to discuss. And if you ask me what is the best way to go for prepare for GD, I will say just do the GD. If you ask me what is the best way to swim, I'll say swim. Start swimming. With practice, you will keep on improving. Same is GD also. So students think that for GD they need to have a lot of knowledge and they need to have good communication skill. No doubt these things help, but these are not the prerequisite. This is not that if you do not have knowledge or if you do not have communication skill, whatever you think, you cannot participate in GD. Whatever situation we have, now we have to proceed forward from here and we have to acquire it. And you must have seen, that is what I've observed, that after 3-4 sittings, students start improving in their discussion, with practice. And that is what we should target and try to do. Now, group discussion and group task, they are two different things. Group discussion may you can take your view, you can take your side, you can take your view, and you can justify this particular side. And you can, I mean, contradict the other members in this. Group task actually is a something like project, BTech project, where you are to basically all together, all of you who are participating in group task, you have to provide the common solution at the end. So in group discussion, it may be possible that you discussed on some matter and you could not reach the consensus. So here you may not reach the consensus, but in group task, it is like a BTech project. If 4 students are working on a project, there may be difference of opinion. There can be difference of opinion, there can also be difference of opinion. In this case, you have to justify your difference of opinion. You can take a side and you keep on discussing on that. But in this case, even if there is a difference of opinion, you need to come together and find a common solution, common consensus, and at the end you need to serve that solution. It is a group task given to a group which is to complete it, and you can only complete that task if you are together, if your approach is in the same direction. So in group discussion, let me tell you, in group discussion, it is not the task which is given to you and you have to do it. In group task, it is the task which is given to you. In group discussion, maybe there are 5 members all seeing in different direction, all are having different view. But in group task, even if your views in the beginning are different, at the end all of you should see in the same direction. That is called group task. That is a group task. So GD and GT are two different things. Now many places GT is also asked, like in IOCL also recently they have asked for GT also. So your approach of GT is different than GD. So I will upload some videos of students doing GT. Just watch that and you will get awareness about this. Keep perfecting yourself in GD and GT and all these mocks, and I believe this is a very important step of your career selection in particular career domain, and you just master it by practicing it more. Thank you.